Yo, 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 Rich Gang, what's up? It's Monday the 18th, and I am doing B Love's Don't Say or Drink Challenge. I can't drink. So today I have one of my favorite mukbang dishes, which is came out with by Kim's Eating Show with peppers. No, it's the sausage, rice, and cucumber mukbang, but of course I had to put a twist to it. And I have sausage and peppers and onions right here. Three different types of sausages with some barbecue pork belly, my white rice, and then I did a cucumber, tomato, mozzarella salad, but it is cucumbers in here. So let's get started. So today is Monday. Y'all know my shows is on. I don't know if I could show y'all this without this stuff like turning over. I don't want no stuff to fall all over the floor. I always season up my peppers, my vegetables that I put in the oven, because I put them in the oven on broil. I season them up, put some extra virgin olive oil on them, dump them in the pan, and put them in the under the broiler for on low for about an hour. Y'all know tonight is Monday. And Monday is one of my biggest TV show nights. 911 comes on. And then The Prodigal Son. If y'all haven't been watching those two shows, along with The Masked Singer, y'all missing out. I want to drink so bad. I have my drink here. I just can't do it. Want a bite? Y'all, YouTube is that's that barbecue pork belly. Take a bite. YouTube be playing games. Saturday I was on. I had 2,900 and I think it was 87 watch hours. And today they're gonna give me 6 watch hours. It's almost like I feel like what they also been doing too. I'm gonna do my front girl. Is that the past couple of days what they've been doing is they would give me my watch hours for the day. And then a couple of hours before is about to switch over to the new watch hours. They would take anywhere from 2 to 5 watch hours back and then give me my new watch hours. Like, what in the world are y'all doing? I tweeted them about it, but I don't think they answered. They've been doing that for the past week. Almost like it's on purpose. They're trying to hold me back. And then think that they giving me something when they done took watch hours away from me. Like right before they do to give you the new watch hours for the day. So I'm not happy about that. Because I should have been hit. At least by Saturday, I should have been on 3,000 watch hours. And they just delaying it and delaying it. Other than that, this weekend is a big weekend coming up. We are going for my son's official visit. From Friday to Sunday. And so it'll pretty much be a long weekend. I'm hoping that they have a night game. Or either it's going to be pretty cool outside. So I don't like sitting in the sun. I get sunburned too fast. It's been pretty warm here. It's supposed to cool off that we have some type of system coming through. I can also do the don't wipe your mouth challenge. So we're supposed to have some rain. And it's so crazy because for the whole year we've only had a little bit over 3 inches of rain. Monsoon season wasn't even bad. Thank you to everybody that's been watching my videos, leaving me encouraging comments. I still need for y'all to watch over 3 minutes because that's where I'm lacking at, is the amount of like my views have gone up from what I normally do, and my watch hours for each particular video. But what's still in the red is the time spent on the video. So if y'all could at least give me like 6-7 minutes, or just let it run. That's what I do to help people's time while I'm sitting there watching TV and listening to their video. I just let it run. I pretty much got the gist of what they talking about. Ooh. I'm getting full. I'm gonna have to go back and DVR because I was downstairs fixing dinner. I'm finishing up my dinner. My show already started. It's been on for 30 minutes already, so I gotta go back and rewind it. back to the beginning, so I have reached 10 minutes. I'm getting full. I didn't drink or say, be loved. Thank you for this challenge, sis. Give me that thumbs up. Please leave your comments in the box below. I thank you for coming to my channel and supporting me. Until the next time, peace.